Okay, so children, have you done the question number 3 which I told you to do on page number 5? Opposite words. Have you done that?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Yes? Great. Okay, just let me know. I'll ask one by one. Everybody will tell me. Okay? Okay, also have you done the question answers, word meaning and difficult words in your notebook? All of you?
Yes.
Okay, great. So what you have to do is you have to send it to your class teacher so that I can check. Got it? By today only. Okay, Bhavika, please turn on your video and I'm gonna mute you all. Just let me know. Just raise your hand. Okay, I'll ask one by one. Okay, so what is the opposite of tall? Yes. I'll ask unmute to Arav, unmute yourself. What is the yes?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the opposite of tall?
Ma'am, short.
Very good. Now,
Short.
very good. Vinayak, tell me what is the opposite of quick? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, late.
Very good. Let me mute you all first.
Fast.
Just raise your hand, okay? Vinayak, unmute yourself. Yes, Vinayak, unmute yourself. What is the opposite of quick?
Slow.
Very good.
Slow.
Okay, now Avni, unmute yourself and let me know what is the opposite of top. What is the opposite of top? What is the opposite of top, Avni? Unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the opposite of top?
Top.
Yes. What is the opposite of top? Top and?
Bottom.
Very good. Top. Okay, bottom. Fine. Now what is the opposite of down? Bhavika, unmute yourself and let me know. What is the opposite of down?
Ma'am, up.
Very good. Okay. Now, Garv, unmute yourself and let me know what is the opposite of out. Unmute yourself first. Yes.
Ma'am, out ka in.
Very good, girl. Okay, now Divyanshi, unmute yourself. What is the opposite of sad?
Happy.
Very good. So, have you done this question in your note in the book? All of you? Yes, no, or maybe? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes.
Okay. Question answer, word meanings, difficult word, question answers, all are done in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. So what you have to do is you have to send it to your class teacher. Okay. Got it. Now let's move forward. Come to the page number. I will tell you the page number. Okay. 4. Open the page number 4, all of you, and show me a book. Yes. We are going to read this message. Okay. Chavi. Very good. Arav, show me a book. Girl, show me a book. Open the page number 4. Yes. Yes. Arav, please show me a book. Yes. Okay. So we are going to read this message. Okay. That how we do. Okay. Chavi, unmute yourself and let me know. Okay. Read out. Ask to unmute. Yes. Okay. Just read out.
Ma'am, I want to
Okay.
read it.
Let's read.
Dear Daddy.
No. Start from Dhruv things. Question. Start from question. Okay.
Dhruv thinks his father is a hero. He has written a message to his father. Let's read it. Dear Daddy.
Okay, let's wait. So the question is, Dhruv thinks his father is a hero. As I told you in this poem, Dhruv thinks that his father is a hero. Why? Why? Do you know, Chavi, why he is a hero?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because
He helped him, right?
he helped
Him.
Dhruv to bring down Kitty safely.
Very good, very good. Okay, so we are going to read this message, and here he has written a message to his father. Who has written this message? Dhruv. Okay, everyone. Who has written this message? Dhruv.
Dhruv.
Dhruv is the sender. Dhruv has written a message to his father. Okay, so let's start. Yes, Chavi, start from Dear Daddy.
Dear Daddy, thank you for helping me bring down Kitty safely. I was scared when I saw her stuck on a tree.
Very good.
I didn't know what to do. I could not think of an idea to bring her down. You saved her. You are my hero.
Very
Love,
good.
Dhruv.
Okay, very good, Chavi. You have read so well. Okay, let me know. Okay, now all of you just look at the message. All of you just look at the message which is written on page number 4. Dear Daddy. Can you see it? Dear Daddy. So first of all, what we write? Dear Daddy. Greetings. Okay. For whom do you want to write a message? We have to write. Like, for example, I am giving you an example. Okay. For example, Vinayak. Vinayak is writing a message to his father. Okay, so how he will start? How he will start? From greeting, right? From greeting. From for whom do you want to write a message? Like Vinayak is writing a message to his father. So how he will write? Dear Daddy. Okay. And then what we have to write? Whatever we want to write to him. So we have to write that message, content, and then at the end of the message, what we have to do? We can write love, we can write regards, and then we have to tell them who has written this message. For example, Vinayak has written this message. So what we will write? Vinayak at the end of the message instead of Dhruv. Got it? Got my point, all of you? Got my point, all of you? Yes. Akshat, please unmute yourself. Oh, please turn on your video. Yes. Now, Akshat, we are on page number 4. Okay, we are just reading the message how to write it. Okay, on page number 4, you can see Dhruv has written the message to his father. Okay, get it? Okay, now. Okay, now who will tell me? Let me see. Yes, one by one. Okay. Garv, unmute yourself. Garv. So, Garv, please tell us what to write in the beginning.
Yes, ma'am.
What to write in the beginning when we start a letter. When we start a message. I'm sorry, when we start a message.
Ma'am, this is dear mom, dear dad.
Okay, for whom do you want to write a message? Like you're writing to your mother. Okay, so what you will write? Dear mama. And if you're writing to your father, dear Daddy.
Daddy.
Very good.
Ma'am, dear.
Okay. Okay. Now, to whom you would like to write a message? Let me know.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
dear mother.
Okay, dear mother. Okay, what you will write then? Just tell me how you will write. What content you will write? Like he wrote, thank you for
Ma'am,
helping me.
thank you.
Thank you, mother. You are.
Ma'am, thank you, mother. You make rasgulle for me.
Oh wow.
Love, girl.
Okay, that's it.
Love, girl.
Okay, very good, girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, love girl. Fine.
Thank
Now,
you.
very good, girl. Okay, now Chavi, unmute yourself. Let me know how you will write and what you will write.
Dear mother.
Hmm. You would like to write a message to your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you for doing everything for us. So lucky to have you. Your unconditional love and care mean the whole world to me. Thanks a lot to give me strength and grow independently. Thank you.
Very good, Chavi. Well done. Love Chavi. Very good. Very good, Chavi. Okay, now who want to say? Anyone? Yes? Okay, Vinayak. Vinayak, unmute yourself. Yes, Vinayak. Vinayak, how to write a message and how? Yes, Vinayak, unmute yourself. And what you will write, to whom you will write, and what you will write, just let me know. And yes, Vinayak, tell me who is your hero, who is your hero, and what you will write.
Ma'am, dear Dad.
Okay, dear dad. Then what, we put comma also, right? All of you, what we do, we put comma also. After dear dad, we put comma. You can see, right? Always start with a message, thank you or whatever. Please just check spellings, punctuation. Do you know punctuation, everyone? What are punctuations? What is punctuations? Like full stop, comma, capital letter when we write a message, or when we write a word, like for example, thank you. Here you can see thank you is written. So thank you, the T should be capital. The first word should be capital, right? So yes, Vinayak, now you can tell me. Your dad, you will write to your daddy, right? Dear daddy, comma, then what you will write? Your voice is not coming.
Thank you for helping my dog.
Okay. Thank you, daddy. Thank you for helping my dog. Okay. Then what you will write?
I was
Scared.
scared
Scared. Okay.
when I
Saw him.
and
Yes. You can also write like, thank you, daddy, for helping me. I was scared where my dog is. I was finding him everywhere, but I couldn't find. Okay, but you saved him. I love you. Love and Vinayak. Last me. Okay, got it? Understood my point, all of you? Agriya, we are on page number 4.
Yes.
We have just read the message. Okay, dear daddy wala. You can see that. And okay, let me tell you what we write first. What we write first, for whom we want to write a message. For example, Agriya, you are writing to your mother. So what you will write? Dear mother. If you are writing to your father, so how will you write? Dear daddy. Then, comma. Then you can see, okay, let me share my screen also so that you can clearly. Okay, Vinayak. Okay, you can see on my screen. Okay, here you can see first what you will write, dear daddy. For whom do you want to write a message? Okay, then for example, Dhruv thinks his father is a hero, so he has written a message for his father. So starting with dear daddy, then content, what you would write in a message, whatever you want to write in a message, you can write. Like he wrote, thank you for helping me bring down Kitty safely. I was scared when I saw stuck on the tree. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't think of any idea to bring her down. You saved her. You are my hero. Then at the end, what we write? Greeting, like we are ending with love, and then your name. Okay, your name, Dhruv. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to write a message in a given space. You can do it. Question number 2, you can see, check the spelling and punctuation in your message with the help of your teacher. Rewrite in a card or paper. Okay, so children, what you can do is you can write a message on the card. Okay, everyone, just take out a card, okay, card at home. after the class, you can write a message, okay, to your mother or father, who you think that he is a hero and she is a hero, whatever. Okay, you can write a message, then you can show me, then I will correct you how to write. Got it? Understood my point, all of you? All of you? Yes. Okay, so let's move now. All of you, we are on page number 4. We have read the message already. Okay, on page number 4, open your book, all of you who have joined late. We are on page number 4. We have done reading. Now come to page number 5, all of you. Come to page number 5, fun at home. Okay, Agriya, please read question. Listen to her carefully. Take out your pencil, all of you. We have to do this question in the book. Yes. Yes, Agriya, please read.
Read the story with your parents.
Okay, at home, what you have to do is you have to read the story again with your parents. Okay. Now, question number 2. Agriya, please read. We are doing it right now.
Read the message and answer the questions that follow.
Okay, so start reading. So all of you listen to her carefully, okay? Yes, Agriya.
Dear Mom, Dad will take us for a movie tonight. Please ready by 7. I am going to attend my piano class. Love.
See ya. Okay?
Sia.
Very good, Agriya. Okay, so here you can see starting from for dear mom. And who has written this message? Okay, one by one I'll ask, just raise your hand, okay? Everyone. Okay, so this message was written to, who will tell me? Just raise your hand. Yes, Bhavika, unmute yourself. Who has written this message, Bhavika? Who has written this message?
Ma'am, Sia.
Very good. So write Sia, all of you. Write Sia in your book. Who has written this message? You can see A wala part. This message was written to Sia. Okay. No, it's the question is this message was written to her mom, right? It is not written by. It is written to. Okay. All of you. So this message was written to her mom. Write down her mom. H-E-R, her mom. So I am writing here. Just write down. I am writing on my whiteboard. Her mom. Okay. A part. Now B part. Yes. Let me see. Arav, please read. B part.
Ma'am, Sia.
No. The question A part. See, question is the message was written to her mom, right? Next question B part. Arav, please read the B part.
Was written by.
Okay. So it was written by all of you? Yes? Now, it was written by Sia. Very good. Sia. So it was written by Sia. Write down B. Sia. Let me write S-I-Y-A. Okay? B part. S-I-Y-A. Sia. So this message was written by Sia. Got it? Understood my point? Now, let's read the C one. Let me see. Akshat, could you please read? Unmute yourself. The last one, C part.
Ma'am, she told her mother that.
Okay. So, what she told her mother? What she told her? What Sia told her mother? That.
Ma'am, her dad take for a movie tonight.
Okay.
So please ready by 7, and so he was
She was going to attend her piano class.
piano class.
Okay, got it. So let me write. Should I write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we have to write in C part, look at the whiteboard, then write, okay? Write down in your book. So she told her mother that her dad don't do this. Okay. So her dad will take them for a movie, for, write down all of you, for a movie. Write first this one, and H should be capital, okay? Now you can see the punctuation. H should be capital, right? After that her dad will take them for a movie. Then you have to copy that one. Please be ready by 7. Write down all of you. Have you done this? Done, everyone? I am unmuting you so that I can continue this. All of you just let me know. Have you done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am writing down, beta. Her dad will take them, or you can say dad will take them for a movie. Okay?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, so write down fast. We have to complete this. Okay?
Please be ready by 7. I'm going to attend. I'm done.
Okay. Now, what we have to write from a movie? We have to put full stop. We have to put full stop. Then what we have to do is, we have to write, please be ready. Please continue from there, okay? Continue करना है हमें. Please be ready by 7. Then again full stop, okay? When we end the sentence, we put full stop, okay? Just always remember. Then what is she saying? That she is going to attend her piano class. All of you just write down. Just write down fast. Please be ready by 7. She is going to attend her piano class. Let me wait. Do it in your book. She is going to attend. Avni, don't do this. Okay, have you done this? Write down, attend her piano class. Unmute yourself, all of you, and let me know. Done? Avni, what are you doing? Yes. Have you done this? All of you? And what we have to write after her piano class, okay? Write after her piano class. So I am writing over here because we have no space here. So piano class. Done? All, everyone done? Very good. So I am repeating once again. All of you just check it once again in your book. What do we have? Okay, so I'm repeating. First, the message was written to her mother. The message was written to her mother. Then second, it was written by Sia. It was written by Sia. And the third one, just check that out. She told her mother that father will take them for a movie tonight. Okay? Okay, great. Then please be ready by 7. She is going to attend her piano class. Got it? Have you done, all of you?
Done, ma'am.
Great. Yes. Everyone, just show me your book. Just show me your book. Yes. Okay, so have you done this question? Very good.
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
No, beta, how screen will visible? I have not shared my screen. Okay, very good. Okay, so okay, so what you have to do all, you have to wait. Let me see. Yes.